Oh, look at this, the recycle bin. Mauricio over here looks like a freaking Eskimo. Me, look at me, I look like Kenny from South Park.
Like a fat ass in a coat. That fat guy in a little
Yeah,
coat.
shut up. Look at this. There's Liz Toots's car. You can't see Toots's car. And that's Todd over there, Todd's car.
Walk over there?
That's oh, gotta walk over there. Oh shit, don't bust my ass. Oh wow, look at this. I'm in snow. The beer's gone. We dug beer. We gotta take that beer out of there.
No shit.
Look at the beer. It's appearing before our eyes. And he's sticking the beer out. There's a beer. A beer. Some more beer. Beer appeared. This is Liz's neighborhood. And look at that.